Microsoft recently celebrated 50 years, but instead of focusing on the past during their recent anniversary event, the spotlight was placed firmly on the future of its AI assistant, Copilot. We'll break down some of the features Microsoft announced as we sit down and sync up with Rocket IT's weekly technology update. Hello everyone, I'm Chris Swinson, Technology Insider here at Rocket IT, and welcome to Sync Up, your new home for technology news. At its core, Copilot is Microsoft's personal AI assistant. As competition among AI assistants continues to grow, Microsoft is highlighting personalization as its differentiator, announcing a slew of new features that learn from a user's preferences, habits, and daily tasks. During its anniversary event, Microsoft unveiled a variety of new features heading to Copilot, one of them being memory. Once you provide Copilot with the correct permissions, it can remember information across sessions, such as the projects you're working on, frequent collaborators, or specific work preferences. This allows for more continuity between interactions without the need to repeat information every single time. Building on that, Microsoft introduced Copilot Actions. This feature allows Copilot to perform tasks based on prompts, such as booking meeting spaces, making restaurant reservations, or sending gifts. Integrations with platforms like Booking.com, OpenTable, and Expedia are already available to support these tasks. Microsoft is also extending Copilot's capabilities to better interpret user environments. With Copilot Vision, you can allow Copilot to use your phone's camera to interact with real-world objects. This includes activities like scanning a whiteboard for meeting notes or capturing images of office equipment for additional information. Vision is also being added to Windows PCs. On desktops, Copilot will be able to interpret what's on a user's screen, allowing it to read documents, organize files, adjust settings, or assist with collaborative work without needing to switch between apps manually. Another feature, known as Copilot Pages, focuses on organizing information. Pages gathers notes, research, and drafts into one editable workspace. Instead of relying on scattered files or multiple apps, Pages consolidates content into streamlined documentation creation and project management. Finally, for research-heavy tasks, Copilot now includes deep research. This feature automates the process of gathering, analyzing, and summarizing large amounts of information, whether from online sources or internal documents. Now, many of these features are available today, whether it be through the web, through mobile apps, or on Copilot Plus PCs. However, full access, especially in a business setting, typically requires a paid Microsoft 365 subscription. For organizations considering Copilot, Microsoft notes that configuring the tool properly will be important. Setting user permissions, managing data privacy, and training teams on responsible usage may be necessary steps. Businesses planning to adopt Copilot may want to consult with an IT provider like Rocket IT to ensure the AI is deployed securely and integrated into existing workflows. For those looking for help integrating Copilot into their business, contact Rocket IT using the link in this video's description. And to stay up to date on trending technology news, hit that subscribe button and the bell to catch us on next week's episode of Sync Up with Rocket IT.